This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, then sign into the app if you haven't already. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. And also you have to obviously make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. So while logging into the Play Store, you'll firstly need to enter your email address and password. Then tap at the next button and we'll proceed with the Google sign-in as you normally would. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, simply click at the green install button that will appear and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, so once the app was downloaded and installed, all the security checks are performed, we can go ahead and open it. While launching the Opera for the first time, it is required that we undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So in here, you gotta choose whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip the step if you want to. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.